Hello students, welcome again. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. See, as you are very well aware with the meaning of angle, when angle is formed, whenever two lines intersect, the angle is formed. And there are different kinds of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, okay, then complete angle, reflex angle, and we can classify the triangle also depending upon the angles formed: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, okay. And we all studied different type of triangles in our last class only, that is in 6th standard. So few other properties of the triangles are discussed here. The first point we need to know is the meaning of a median of a triangle. Median, first point is median. Median. Second one is altitude. Altitude or height. Okay. These two meanings are very important. What do you mean by median? Okay. First, I will draw one triangle here. This is an acute angle triangle. Let's name this triangle as A, B, C. Okay, this is a triangle ABC, and how we used to write it? Small triangle shape ABC, triangle ABC. So, what do you mean by median? Median is a straight line that joins a vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. Remember, how many vertices are there here? 3 vertices. What do you mean by vertex or vertex? The full form, the plural form of vertex is vertices. So vertex is a point where two sides meet. A, B and C are the 3 vertices. So what do you mean median? Median is a straight line that joins a vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. So what is the opposite side of A? A opposite. The opposite side of vertex A is a BC. The opposite side of A is a BC. And for B, AC. And for C, AB. Okay. So total 3 vertices are there. And for every vertex there is an opposite side. And what do you mean by median? Median is a line or a straight line that joins the midpoint of any side with the opposite vertex. So let me choose BC. Suppose BC is 10 centimeter and somewhere here midpoint comes. Midpoint means, suppose BC is 10. This midpoint M, divide the BC into 2 parts, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Got my point? And if you join this A with this midpoint, then this line AM is known as a median. Okay. If you join any vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side, midpoint half, 5 here midpoint, then this line this line AM is known as the median. Likewise, you can draw 3 medians for one triangle. For B, AC is opposite. Am I right? For B, AC is opposite. AC. Suppose AC is 8 centimeter, and you have to measure in such a way that here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter. Now this point, let's say K. Let this point be K. Now K is the midpoint of AC. K is the midpoint of AC. If you join B with the K, you can use a dotted line also, or you can use a continuous line. Any line you can use. Then this BK is known as a median. BK median. Very simple, right? So the definition of a, likewise you can draw, you can join C with the midpoint of AB. Suppose here D is the midpoint of AB. If you join C with the D, CD is also known as a median. So finally what I can say is a median is a straight line that joins a vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, I hope you got my point. Next term is altitude or height. Next term is a altitude or height. So now this one, altitude. What do you mean by altitude? Once again consider a triangle. This time I will take x, y, z. Consider a triangle x, y, z. The definition of altitude is also a straight line that is perpendicular, that is drawn from a vertex and it is perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, altitude ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But how it joins the line opposite? It will not join the midpoint. It is perpendicular. It makes a 90 degree with the opposite side. Look here. Actually, suppose xy midpoint will come somewhere here. Okay. So altitude starts from vertex, and suppose if xy's midpoint is here, somewhere here, suppose xy's midpoint is here. While drawing altitude, we don't care about a midpoint. Midpoint ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Z in the direct, it should make a 90 degree. ಇದು perpendicular ಅಂತೇವೆ. Either it may be 90 this side or 90 this side. Okay. So this is known as altitude. So altitude is a straight line which is drawn from a vertex and it is perpendicular to the opposite side. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ Likewise, you can draw 3 altitudes also. Suppose it may go sometimes outside also, remember. Okay, sometimes it may go altitude outside also, but it should make a 90 degree. Okay, I will show you. In this triangle, I want to draw altitude from A directly so that it is a 90 degree. If I want to draw altitude here, we should not check midpoint. It must make a 90 degree here. If I want to draw altitude from C, must make a 90 degree here. Okay. You should not join the midpoint in case of altitude, whereas in case of median you must join the midpoint. Here degree is important. In case of altitude, 90 degree is important, or perpendicular you can say. Here midpoint is important. joining midpoint is important. Here making 90 degrees important in case of altitude. This is the basic. Depending upon these 2 points only, exercise 6.1 is there. Okay, very simple. First one, in a triangle PQR, B is the midpoint of QR, M is dash, PDD is dash, even gamma. Look here, in triangle PQR, there is one diagram here. Okay. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. Okay. Point of a QR. QR the midpoint yavadu D. So QR the midpoint D adra PD enagutta. PD is a line that joins the vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. Our PD enagutta. PD is a median agutta. PD is a median agutta. PM enagutta. PM is a line that is drawn from a vertex and it is perpendicular. It is making 90 degree with opposite side. Therefore, PM will become altitude or height. Both are same. Altitude. Next question is QM equal to MR. QM ಮತ್ತು MR equal ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. D is a midpoint. Therefore, QD is equal to DR or DR is equal to DQ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇವೆರಡು equal. DQ and DR are equal. But QM is not equal to MR. Therefore, this answer is no. Is no. So in 6.1 only one problem is enough. If you know the meaning of altitude and median, that much is enough. One problem is sufficient. In one page you can finish this 6.1. Okay. In next session I will address 6.2 and 6.3. 6.2 and 6.3 are very important from the perspective of essay 1. Okay, I gave 2 to 3 questions from 6.2 as well as 6.3. So please give attention to both exercises. In next session I will address 6.2 as well as 6.3. Thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye.